What's good, Wagwan? My name is Munchilu and welcome back to my channel. So I have a really quick video for you guys today. I was supposed to do a video on how I got these super duper long spring twists. However, I had some technical difficulties, so I didn't get to record that for you guys, but I still wanted to put out a video this week. So today I'm going to show you guys a few different ways in which you can style super long spring twists like what I have here, Marley twists, passion twists, or if you just have super long braids or even locks. I'm just going to give you a few ideas and ways in which you can just make your hair look a little bit more interesting, because I know a lot of the times we get really excited about getting like super long hair, girl, and when we get them done we just end up being so overwhelmed we just end up wearing it in a ponytail for the entire period we have it. So if that's you, I got you, girl. I got you. Don't even worry about it. So my hair is basically butt length, right below my butt basically. So they're pretty long. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, or even if you're not, you're already here. So just keep on watching this video. Before we get started, you guys know I have to remind you, make sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video, share this video with one of your friends that have super long braids, or always getting super long braids, or have been talking about getting super long braids or twists or whatever it is. Share this with your girlfriend, share this with your mama, your auntie, your cousin, your side chick. Share with everybody. Okay, so the first style I'm going to show you is obviously how I have my hair done now, and it's just a side part, a simple side part. It's not too deep. That's how I like my side parts. If you'd like it deeper, you can bring more hair over to the side, but don't sleep on the side part, girl. The side part will get you right. Now I'm going to go ahead to a middle part. I usually don't like a middle part because I have a bigger forehead, but I'm feeling it with this hairstyle. Again, super cute, super easy, and it's a completely different look than if it was just in a side part. So for the next style, I'm going to take a few twists from the front and just tie it behind my head. I like to leave out one of the twists at the side. You don't have to do that. I just like how it looks. It's cute, giving me Lord of the Rings realness. And we're just going to use a scrunchie and just tie that up. And look at that. So cute, so simple. It just creates so much definition on your face, especially if you like your hair being pulled back like a girl was feeling herself here. Okay, sis, we see you. Go off. And you can like pull it to the front. That's a whole different look. Super cute. Love it. Okay, moving on to our next style. It's literally the same thing. However, I'm just going to pull the hair so that it's slack and not as tight as it was before. And it just creates a different look. I think it's more casual. It just looks, you know, super cute. Alright, so for our next look, we're going to create a half up, half down effect, but we're not going to take half over here. We're literally just taking the few twists at the front, and I was thinking, should I leave that one down? I was like, nah, I'm going to pull it up for this look, and we're going to pull up all the hair from the front, and we're going to use a small ponytail holder. Oh, I'm using a scrunchie. Okay, we're gonna use a scrunchie and just catch that up, and it's gonna be super cute, especially if you're using a colored scrunchie that's gonna show. If you don't want, you can just use a regular hair tie and it'll still look cute. Okay, so you guys are actually gonna see me do this a lot for the next upcoming looks. It's just me pulling out the front two twists. I don't know, I just love it. I just think it's super duper cute and just adds a little bit of pizzazz to the hairstyle. You definitely don't have to if you don't want to. So the next style we're gonna do is to turn our ponytail into a top knot or a bun. I'm gonna be doing a top knot here, but you can do a bun if you like, because duh, that's the next sensible thing to do. And it's, again, just add something a little bit different, a little bit of like, oh wow, that's cute, ah, ooh, yeah. Alright, so for our next look, I'm literally gonna split my hair down the middle, and we're gonna create 2 low ponytails in the back. That's it, y'all. 2 low ponytails. I'm telling you, these hairstyles are super easy and they just give you a completely different look. Come on now. Y'all, I am struggling. Like, look at the muscles. Look at those muscles. Like, okay, work. And look how easy and look how simple and look how cute. So this was the point where I saw my edges in the mirror and I was like, girl, what's going on? I swear, guys, I did my edges before this video, okay? I did my edges. Now, of course, you know what we're gonna do if we have a ponytail. The next sensible thing is to turn it into a bun. So that's what I'm doing here. We're gonna turn these 2 ponytails into buns. We're gonna give them Princess Leia realness, okay? And it's gonna be cute. Okay. You got something to say? What you gotta say? Ooh, oh, okay, ooh, okay. Moving on. So I'm just taking a few strands of hair from the front and we're pulling it to the back on each side, and then I'm going to use a hair tie and we're going to tie that in the back. Alright, you want it to be a little bit tight but not too tight. Then I'm going to use a headband, a scarf. This is literally a belt from my shorts I have, but you don't know that. And then I'm just going to tie it in the back to create like a little bit, you know, like a little headband action going on. Next, I'm going to be doing my hair to the side and we're just going to be creating a, what am I creating here? A bun? A ponytail? Stay tuned. I'm really curious. I completely forgot what I did over here. Ah, yes, now I remember. What we're gonna do is, you know, when you're trying to do a super big ponytail and you just get really tired and you just leave it halfway, that's what we're doing. We're gonna create a halfway ponytail. We're leaving some of the hair inside the ponytail, if that makes sense. I hope you understand. I know you know what I'm talking about. But that's what we're doing, and I just think it's super duper cute. It's a little bit different, but it's still cute, girl. Okay, now here we go with the bun. I know you knew it was coming. So I'm going to be creating a massive bun on the side of my head. If you have neck problems, I would not suggest this for you. It's just the truth, okay? It's going to be super heavy, but it's also super cute. Mine is a little bit crooked. Well, my hair is a little bit crooked, but the bun is cute, and that's all that matters. I'm going to take my same scarf and wrap it around my hair and tie it just to add a little bit of, you know, cuteness, but you get the idea. Make sure yours is actually done properly and yeah. Okay, so this style is definitely one of my top favorites. I just think it's super duper cute. I'm gonna create 2 mini ponytails on the top of my head, and I use these bright scrunchies. I have my Lord of the Rings side twists, and I also have my front twist, and a girl was feeling herself. I was like, hold up, I gotta put on some lip gloss, get this popping. Okay, I was really feeling myself. I'm sorry. Okay, I was okay, moving on. We're gonna turn our minis into some little buns, of course. So we're gonna be basically creating some mini space buns, which everybody already knows are super duper adorable. Okay, for this one, you are going to need the strength of all your ancestors, okay? You are going to need to pray, fast. You're going to need to do all that for the strength of catching up all this hair, especially if you have super long hair, in a ponytail. And once you do, it's going to be so worth it. I'm using a few of the twists to wrap around my hair, and bam, look at that. Look at that. And you guys can actually see the length of the hair. It's just super cute, super classy. You can definitely wear this if you're dressing up, date night, you know, all of that. Beach, Corvette. Up to the motherfucking jet like that. Don't sit back, way walk like that, way talk like that, way walk like that. Now we are going to be creating a giant bun on the top of our head. Please make sure you have a lot of bobby pins on hand to secure this if you don't want it toppling over in the middle of your date. That's not cute. Okay? That's not cute, but this is cute. This is real cute. Alright, so for our next style, we are basically going to be creating a giant braid down the back of our head. However, I'm not quite braiding, I'm just crossing hairs over hairs. If you can braid, then by all means go ahead, but I didn't want it to have like a braided pattern, more of like a crisscross pattern, if that makes sense. So I'm literally taking hair from one section over to the other section, then getting some more hair from that section, crossing it over to the other section. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just crisscrossing the hair, and then when I'm at the bottom, I'm just gonna take it under the remainder of the hair and just use a hair tie to secure it. That way it doesn't unravel, and it's super duper cute. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some ideas of how to style your hair, and you just don't get overwhelmed and just wear it in a ponytail all the time. Get creative, girls. Switch it up. You know, for most of the styles, I had these 2 little bangs hanging right here. That's just me. If you don't like that, you can always pin them up in the style if you like. I just prefer to have them there. I don't know, it's just my thing. As you guys know, I always love your feedback, so just go ahead and let me know in the comments what was your favorite hairstyle. Do you think you'll be trying something that you saw in this video, or were these all trash? Whatever your thoughts are, just let me know in the comments. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you guys would actually like a tutorial on how I did the super long spring twist, let me know in the comments as well. I'll definitely do that for you. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see more content by me, hit that subscribe button. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if anyone's out there, bye.